HVAC people!
All right, so we got a Sunday emergency no cooling call. Let's see if we can get us some air. So I just went in the attic and checked the drain line. The drain is clear, flow switch is up, so we okay. And the blower is running, filters are clean. It's the downstairs unit, which is this big one right here. And I'm blowing just cold air only. When I say cold, call it ambient air. I mean, whatever the outside temperature is, that's pretty much what it's blowing out. Maybe a little cooler. So Sunday, I just hope it's the capacitor. This ain't good. I see oil everywhere. I was gonna be low. That's our oil there. I hope there's oil maybe from the capacitor, but the capacitor don't look like it's blowed up. Let's see if we got any pressure. Absolutely flat, so no pressure. Right. Let me speak to the homeowner because it's going to be a major repair. I need to replace the unit, but okay, so I got the disconnect off. I just spoke with the homeowner. He want to try to find the leak. If it's repairable, we're gonna repair it. He has grandkids in there, one an infant, and they are from Pennsylvania. He said him and his wife usually leave the unit at about 78, but he had it at 72 for about the last 10 days, because they like it cool. That shouldn't matter, that shouldn't make it leak, but yeah, just been overworking this. Anyway, all right, so I'm gonna hit this with nitrogen. I got 0 in there right now. Let's go on the liquid side. Oh yeah, I hear it. I hear it. Alright, I know y'all see these $1 million houses around here. It's a $1 million plus house that I'm working on. And I can easily sell them a new unit right here, no problem. And I know the guy that work here. Eventually we're gonna replace this one, probably in the fall. But we can get this unit running. I think I can fix that leak. Like I say, but we get this unit running, hey, he'll really appreciate it. So that's my goal. So we'll clean it up and see what I can do with it. Kind of tight on this wall right here. I think I can get to. So that U-bend must be good and brittle. I usually see it split. So probably so much refrigerant came out at one time and put a hole in it. That should be good. So right now I just got the liquid side open. don't hear anything, I'm running to get some soap bubbles. Alright. So 31, 32, that's enough to leak search right now. So I'm gonna let that hold, get some soap bubbles, check it. If I don't see anything, I'll put about 150 PSI in there. Alright. So I've been holding at 130. I'm gonna get some rain. I gotta pull out my umbrella. Hopefully at least I can get it up on the back before it starts. But yeah, we good. I leak check this with soap bubbles. We don't have any leaks right here, and it's holding on pressure. So I'm gonna get this button up before it start raining. Let's see. I spoke with the homeowner again, so we're gonna give it a try. I told him about the filter dryer. Normally when we open the system up to atmospheric pressure, we change the filter dryer, but we're not gonna worry about that now. We're just gonna pull a little vacuum on. I'm not gonna even do it at 500 microns. I'm just gonna pull a vacuum for about 20-30 minutes. We're gonna charge it up. Get this thing hold about 12 pounds of R22. Let's see here. 192 ounces. 16 divided by 12. 192. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull the vacuum. Been hanging out at about 170, so I think she's good to go. Alright, got the vacuum pump. Pull a vacuum, charge it up, get up out of here. I hopefully won't get no lightning out here. I hear thunder. Show y'all the golf course. Right, isn't that beautiful? That is beautiful. Different levels to this. Alright, so I got the vacuum pump going. Right, so I got it charged up. I just weighed in 12 pounds, that's it. I'm just gonna do what the factory said. Treat it like a package unit. Like I say, I think it had, anyway, it's about to pour down rain, so like I said, I just weighed in the charge. That's it. The unit, not that far in the attic, probably about a 25-foot line set though. Let's see if it fired. Alright, so we fired right up. So I did hear the compressor start. Get that man to stabilize. I may have to add a little bit more, we'll see. We just give it a minute to stabilize. Alright, so I'm getting ready to wrap it up. Probably about 56 over 218. A little lower than what I wanted to be, but it's lightning like crazy, so I'm going to get out of here. It is cool and fine. It's R22, so you can play with it a little bit, but it's definitely cooling on the inside. It's already dropped 3 degrees, so we're gonna call this one good. All right, thanks for watching.